Right, just a quick video today. A little ride on the bike. And I think I have a camera addiction. I bought another camera, so I'll show you that in a minute or two when I stop. It's a bit overcast again today. Not the greatest weather in Cornwall at the minute, but hopefully it'll get better soon. Hi, alright then. Hello, puppy. Right, so we just stopped in the churchyard a minute. Yeah, it's definitely a thing I become an obsession buying cameras. I've got too many now, but still enjoy myself. I've just gone again and I've bought myself the Insta360 Go 3S. It's a big title. Could have made it a lot shorter, I'm sure, but even so. So it's a basic kit, but with a 128 gigabyte internal memory on this one. It's first day out with it for me, so I'm giving it a try. Love the look of it. So I'm going to switch now and vlog on that camera just to see what it's like. As you can see on this one, it's got the flip up screen. So I'm going to switch over to that now and see how that looks. Right, so I've now switched to the Go 3S. This one. Not sure about the audio. Don't think it'll be as good as the Action 4 with the microphone. So this is in free flow. I think that's what they call it. So I'm going to switch over now to standard. Let's put it on. Right, so I've switched over to the standard video mode. Now I'm only doing 1080p because my computer's not really fast enough to cope with 4K, and I find 1080p is fine for YouTube, so don't see any reason not to. Gives me a lot more scope for slow motion and everything else. The beauty of this one, of course, is I can put it to anything magnetic. It'll pretty much go anywhere, so hopefully we can do a few camera tricks with this one. And luckily my bike, this one, is all steel, so it makes a good tripod. I want to sit back and relax. Pretty good POV for the bike, I think. Just coming up to the park now. Bike ride test for the camera. Go back and have a look at the results, see what it looks like. If it was okay, I might even put out a little video.